Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CarPlay on your Infiniti Q50. First, connect your iPhone to one of the car's USB ports using an Apple-certified cable. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and running a recent iOS version for optimal performance. You might see a few prompts on your phone screen. Simply accept these to enable CarPlay functionality. This initial connection is crucial for a seamless experience, setting up your favorite apps and features right away. Once connected, the CarPlay icon should appear on your Infiniti Q50's infotainment display. Simply tap this icon to launch the interface. You can then navigate through the various applications using either the car's physical controls or the touchscreen, whichever you prefer. Take a moment to explore the main apps such as Maps for navigation, Phone for calls, and music for your audio entertainment. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. CarPlay offers many convenient features to enhance your driving. You can use Siri for hands-free commands by simply pressing the voice button on your steering wheel, allowing you to send messages or make calls safely. Access popular navigation apps for precise turn-by-turn directions and real-time traffic updates. Plus, enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks through various streaming applications, all controlled easily from your car's display. It truly integrates your digital life. To ensure the best CarPlay experience, always use an Apple-certified USB cable. This prevents many common connectivity issues. If you encounter any problems, a quick fix is to restart both your iPhone and your Infiniti Q50's infotainment system. Also, remember to check your iPhone's CarPlay settings, where you can customize app order and manage permissions. These simple steps will help you maintain a smooth and enjoyable CarPlay experience on every journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.